the Beaver Art and Craft for making of the banana tree using the sprite and krest bottles. The code 006. Now we're going to make the banana tree using 4 or 5 different bottles of different heights. That is, we're going to use the 1.25 liters sprite bottle, and also the smallest one with 350 ml krest bottle. These bottles are going to make different leaves of different size. That is the reason why we have the bottles of different heights. And the stem of the banana tree will be made of this plastic pipe, and we're going to make it real by just covering the plastic pipe with the cover of the banana. Let's now start cutting from the first bottle, that is the sprite. First bottle will be the smallest leaf, the youngest leaves in the banana tree. Now we're going to take the scalpel. You take the scalpel. You take the scalpel. That point of this appearance of the bottle, now you open it. Open it. Now you open it like this one. You go to the second bottle, you cut the same. The second bottle, you cut the same. At that point, dissect the bottle into four equal parts. Cut it. And now you have obtained the 4 leaves. This one is from a 350 ml bottle. This one is from 500 ml, other than half liter. This one is from 1.25, and this one is from now the 2 liters. From this point now, we are going to just place the 4 leaves in one stem. Now you take a pipe like this one, and find that the pipe and these bottles are not very flexible, so that you can attach the pipe and the bottle neck. You're going just to take a silly tape, then you're going to roll it round. Set it like this one. Then now cut the silly tape. From this point now, you're going to place the leaves from the one at the base to the top. Now you start with the smallest leaf. You place it, then you move it to the top. From the top, the second smallest, you place it then. Adjacent to each other, you place another one. Then the largest leaf, the 4th one. Now we have the 4 leaves. At this point now, you just not cover the stem of the leaf of the banana with just the banana cover. Like this one. Where is the banana cover? Like this one. Place it the base. Then you roll it around. That point now, I cut the banana. At the top, so that the color of the banana look the same like the leaves. Place a green selection. That is the banana and the sprite. One point we may take just a container like this one, but you should decorate the container like this one. Should be decorated somehow. For example, we may decorate it with a different color or a cover like this one. We may take a cover like this one. We cover we cover the container. At this point now, we take a glue, smear it. Yes, which one? Now you have the base. Have the base like this one, maybe even place another one like this one at the base. At that point now, we are going now to insert our banana tree inside this. Take the first banana, place it. Take the second banana, place it at the center. Now to make sure they are stable, we're now going to add a ballast. We're going to add a ballast inside. Now we are going to place the ballast to balance. Now our banana has stable. You have a very strong base of ballast, but you have to give the ballast now a sedative value by spraying it with the silver color. Now we have our banana tree in a very well good flower face from just a buttress. Welcome and thank you for watching Domi the Befa, the ocean of art and craft. Don't forget to subscribe. Domi the Befa, art and craft. The ocean of the hearts.